As you can see, I'm having a bit of a problem with my lawnmower. And you might say, Dave, I thought this was a coffee review channel. Oh, it is. I have brought my cold brew. It's pretty excellent. I'll do a review for you on how to start this cold brew up, but I had to get my cabinets finished.
Get the doors hung, had to get the doors built, had to get the toe kick on, and cut my finger up really good, so that's nasty, and a lot of other things.
So that's why nothing's been on the channel. Today we're gonna fix a lawnmower and drink some coffee. So come on, let's do it. So what we've got here is a failure to stay together, I think is a technical term. So I've got some non-failure to stay together devices, 8-inch cable ties. So we're gonna see if that works, because I don't really want to replace this mower. This lawn, which if you're any kind of a nut, you can see it's full of weeds.
Another undesirables, but this was probably like 90% dirt at the beginning of this year, and so I spent a lot of time trying to get the grass to grow in, and I've been pretty successful. So I have put a lot of time and energy into getting stuff to grow around here, so I didn't use a lot of weed killer or herbicides of any kind. Now we're starting to cool down a little bit. I'm getting heavy with the weed killer, and I've spent a lot of money into my turf, so I haven't put any money into my free mower that I got from a church that had another mower, and they gave me this one. It's been rattling.
And then the other day when I went to pull start it, the top came off. So we're gonna see if we can repair this for free, because I don't remember when I bought these, and I think they're just laying around my house. As you can see, we have a clean disconnect. The pull chain is still good. My oil dipstick's still all together. So we'll just see if we can just slap it back together. Why don't we, huh? So pretty much what we're dealing with there. I have no idea how I'm going to attach this. So here's what we have. I have one spot where I can shove a zip tie and hopefully get it to secure. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to pull it and see if it starts. We're going to see if we're mechanics or not. That is good cold brew. There we go. I don't know if you can see how bad this thing is smoking, but all this oil is new. It was running like crazy and just running like a house of fire, and then it just kept bogging and bogging and bogging. And as you can see, my repair held, my zip tie held, but I'm afraid that what happened is over here is the throttle, okay, and I just cranked it to keep it running because you saw it was trying to die on me, and I think I smoked it. I think I killed it. I think this mower is done. So I mean, I kind of feel like this is a demolition ranch type video, right? I mean, we're just trying to mow some grass. Look at that thing. You should smell it. It's like burnt rubber. I'm surprised this thing's not in flames right now. But that is a good old Briggs and Stratton. I'm gonna guess that it's never been maintained. The blade on this thing was about as sharp as a marble, and we ground that to a point just so we could kind of get some of this grass cut here. That's awesome. So there you go, it died. I'll be finishing the lawn with the weed whacker, and you can see my clumps of grass over there. It's pretty tall. We got a lot of rain. You can see I need to add some pavers here up along the sidewalk. This joker is done. She's smoking and she stinks, And I don't think I'm going to pull start it again for fear of death. All right. Cold brew didn't do too well either. Got some goodies in there, you know, make it a green shake after all. There it is. There it is, folks. So I'm not disappointed in my repair. I couldn't have told you that the mower was going to blow up. Briggs and Stratton signing off for the last time.